So you can see if you take a look at what we did predicting for some time, right? We'll be saying it that markets will push up to cut to tap our resistance level. It is very simple. Reason is that we are in a ranging market move. That is what JPY is currently doing. Our current trend is on a ranging move. So let's see what markets will likely do. But first and first, make sure you subscribe to those that are yet to subscribe. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. Now, if you take a look at this right here, because now market is ranging. So at first, market was able to come to tap our resistance, then it rejected from our resistance back to our support. Market eventually came back to our resistance, it will give us a false breakout right here. This is a false breakout. Market eventually dropped back to our support. You all know what a ranging market means, right? Now market eventually rejected from our resistance and back to our rejected from our support back to our resistance, right? Which gave us a false breakout. Market eventually dropped back to our support level. The market eventually pushed up back to our resistance and then it came back to our support. So we are now having a rejection, multiple rejection, right? Which may eventually make push up to come to tap our resistance. So this is one of these why I said we would be anticipating for that bullish move for our US EURJPY, EURJPY to tap our resistance level. So if you are not yet in the buy, you can still go ahead for the buy. But if you are already in the buy, it will best you the buy position. The market is able to fully tap our resistance level. Now, with what market is doing with this drop, right? I see this as a pullback. I just see this as a pullback. So with what market is the market is now pushing up. So markets will continue to push up. It is able to completely take out this high, thereby forming a higher high. So guys, if you are not yet in the buy on your buy, you can go in for the buy. So a bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make comments.